Hope you guys enjoyed your farewell. Yes. I enjoyed it a lot. And thanks for everything. First of all, I really thank our faculty, Mr. Naresh, for bringing this whole training up to an end with a successful things and all. So I really wish you guys from now onwards. I hope there are several people who are interested for this program, but only few of them turned up with their own interest. See, that's what happening these days. Nobody have trust on anything. That is the main problem. See, lots of people offering trainings, job opportunities and all, but no one is believing because everything become commercial. So this particular thing which comes for the minorities, Telangana government took a good initiation. They are already there. They have been giving training for many undergraduates and all, and graduates also. But initially I have thought I should do something different, which is more useful for graduates and postgraduates, because those guys are finishing their graduation and they're looking for an opportunity, and they've been giving false advices, and their paths are completely different. End of the day, what's happening? They end up with a disappointment, and that disappointment leads them to join in several jobs which is not related to their their education or anything like that. So I thought I should bring something new and something advanced. That is the reason I have sent this proposal to the government for this particular digital marketing course, because I have done a complete research on this course, because I've been living in New Zealand for 10 years. Okay. Yeah, in that time the digital market is already there in other countries. It has been introduced recently, 1 year back to India, but it was there in other countries already very good. So I thought I should give something reasonable. Getting a job, everybody will get a job. If you compromise with your education and all, everybody get a job. Why not? If you want to work, if you have energy, if you want to do something, you will get a job. But that is not the category. You have to get a job which is you have excitement in that job. Yeah. While you doing it, while you studying it. So I thought of this particular digital marketing course which is useful. So I went up with the same proposal to the minorities of Christian minority and Muslim minority, even SC Corporation, ST Corporation, and even BC Education Center. So I thought everybody should get this opportunity, especially for below poverty who can't really afford for this course. Because people who are there, who can afford, they are just joining in bigger institutes, paying lakhs of rupees for this particular course actually. It is nearly minimum, if you want to have a quality course, it will cost you nearly above 60,000 rupees outside. So I thought, why can't I give this course for free of cost for the people who can't really afford it. So I went there. You can't believe, I have applied for SC Corporation in the year of 2018 June, and I got approval in January of 2020. But due to this COVID-19, it has been prolonged for 1 year. Now I am starting the batch from next week. Same as this Muslim minority and Christian minority, I struggled a lot, and one of these MDs of minorities, this is Kanta Wesley madam, she recognized my efforts and she personally called me to give a personal presentation. So I went myself with my laptop, I showed her everything. She was completely zero with digital marketing, but after my presentation, she felt very happy and she thought it is very useful actually. And immediately, even we have done some courses like this, as a franchise, but not straight. So she is the first person gave me an opportunity and gave me a work order for Muslim minority and Christian minority. So see, this thing you done with your training, right? And now you're getting your jobs and everything is right. Behind this, there is lots of efforts which I put, and our whole ADM team has been spent a lot of time in that. So now all that effort, I don't feel anything now, because after seeing you guys with your success things, I really feel happy. Really feel happy. So same thing, our faculty has given some good efforts, good training and all. Utilize it proper way, and also see how it benefits to more youngsters after you. See, lots of people know now we have learned digital marketing. So now we shouldn't say word of mouth. We should say by word of a social print. That's what you guys are capable of now. So word of mouth and being a pamphlets, this is not anymore. Okay, so this is not under digital marketing at all. So now we are digital marketing guys. So I think Mr. Naresh has given you a complete thing, and he is also available later if you have some any doubts or anything. Our door is always welcome for you. Okay, so we can all the time, anything. So as a trainer, I am back in New Zealand. I am a personal trainer. So I used to train nearly 13 countries of people under me. So I have started as a sales guy there, and I become a training manager there.
Wow.
So that was it's a matter of nearly 5 years. So everything need time. No success will come, all in sudden.
Yes.
Nothing will come into your hands suddenly saying that there is the job, this is the salary. No, there's lots of effort you need to put, and you are young chops, and you have lots of energy, you have lots of age. Okay, so please utilize it. The only thing you need to remember is never waste time. Time is very, very valuable. Okay, just think a little bit of time what you can do with that. So you will be sparing your time for your family. Okay, you are all unmarried, I suppose. If you're married, you will be spending your time with your family, your parents and all. That is quite different. That is a default thing everybody will do. But the rest of the time, do not waste it. See what you can do in that time. See, now the governments are providing these kind of courses. See what is benefits to you. And I have chosen this digital marketing course particularly because it's suitable for any graduate. There is no limitations for someone is accountant, someone is a technical side, someone is software side, no matter what. It is suitable. So that is the reason. In the same way, further I am going to introduce 2 more courses because several people who are undergraduates, they are also interested, but we don't have this course is only for graduation, post graduation. So I have been introducing another 2 courses which is for undergraduates, and we are adding some IT courses along with the digital marketing. They are all coming from. So you guys, please, okay, see, make sure like if anybody is looking for opportunity, just think about those guys. And as you are already experienced the training, and I really congratulate few people who already received some offer letters already, and other people are already trying and they are on the go. And we will make sure until you get your job, it is our responsibility. We will take care of that. And thank you very much for this opportunity. And I really feel very happy with this. I don't feel like it is a farewell party. It is just, I just feel like it is a startup party. It is a startup party for your training. Okay guys, thank you.
Thank you so much.